Hey everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today we're working in the herb garden. Well, we're creating an herb garden, I should say. We just fixed up the bed, cleaned it up, topped up with soil. Let me show you what we're planting. The corner, those are dahlias that have come up. I planted them from bulbs. Look how well they're doing. Give it another few weeks, we might have some flowers. And now, for my more hardy herbs, I have them all right here. We have a beautiful rosemary. Now, when I say hardy, I just mean things that get a little bit more woody. Like this rosemary, it is not actually going to survive in my yard unless I bring it in. A beautiful oregano. This one is one of my favorites. If you pinch the leaves, it smells like pineapple. This is pineapple sage, and I am in love with it. And then we have a beautiful thyme plant here. And then in the back, I have 3 pots of sweet basil. Now, I do grow my own basil, but these were on sale, and I really wanted to show a fun little trick with them. No matter where you go to get them, it's usually all the same. Each stem is an individual plant. So whenever they sow these, they literally just take a handful of seeds, throw it in, and let them grow. But all you have to do is manhandle them a little bit and break them apart. And don't worry if the roots rip. They will survive. I don't know a plant that wants to grow more than basil. Tear it apart. Even still, I can still tear that apart. And it's still got a root system. And that will take off and grow and be huge plants, each individual one. But if you don't want to do that, you can totally just plant them in a clump like that, and they'll still do great. Go in for a sniff. We also have a little volunteer. It's a red Swiss chard. I absolutely love Swiss chard as an edible or an ornamental. I have a flat of some just classic curly kale here. But I have about 10 plants here, and I'm just gonna fill up this corner. Is the bed all filled up. Now this is going to grow and fill in and be absolutely gorgeous. Imagine the beautiful contrast between the basil and the kale whenever they grow up, the blue kale versus the very lemony green basil. I'm so happy I got this done, especially considering we're already officially in summer. It kind of goes to show that it's never too late to plant a garden, especially this spring and still into the summer. I've been super busy, but I'm treasuring this time in the garden. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay gardening.